Hi there, students. A polity. A polity. This is a word from politics. A polity is a group that is considered as one political unit. So it could be a state or a society. So you could consider the European Union as a polity. It's a democratic polity, maybe, or the American polity, the North American polity, the United States political system. Notice we can use this word polity to talk about a state or a unit. Different nations have different polities, but you can also use it to talk about the organizational structure. So an organization could have a vertical polity. Yeah, the boss tells the second boss who tells the third boss. Or it could have a horizontal polity where everyone decides. So it's the structure or the political structure of the way something is governed. Okay, so a polity, a society, an organized group, yeah, as a political entity. So before the fall of the Berlin Wall, West and East Germany were different polities. Yeah, they had different governing systems. Yeah, or the process, the form of government. So you could have a humanist polity, thinking about individuals. Yeah. I guess, for example, many sports you could call a polity because they have a political organization. So FIFA is the in charge of the polity of football, for example. Okay, so a polity, an organized society, an organized nation, a church, a city, yeah, with its government and its administration. Yeah, so a socialist polity or a communist polity. So I think maybe North Korea has a communist polity. North and South Korea have very different polities, methods of governance, methods to govern the country. So a polity, it's the way, the system that is used to govern a group. Yeah, I guess the Vatican is in charge of Roman Catholic ecclesiastical polity. Yeah, and then a polity constituted as a state into one body. Yeah, for example, I think very often you could consider gypsies as a polity. They have their own system of governments, their own rules and their own internal laws. Yeah, so polity, the way something is governed, or the way a group of people are administered. And then a polity, a group that you can consider together with one type of governance. So yeah, you could have a polity talking about the European Union. You could have a polity talking about a state, yeah, a country, Belgium, for example. Then you could have a polity talking about different departments or autonomous regions within a country, or a polity, a state that is, or a city that is ruled by a city council. Each of these are different types of polity or different polities, and the polity, also the system of government that's used, the way, the belief, the general ethos of it. Okay, this is a pretty formal word. I think I would probably give it a 7 in formality. In a semi-formal conversation, maybe just. I think I would prefer just the name of the group, yeah, or the name of the country. Use it in a semi-formal writing or a formal writing. And then as to origin, this word comes from Latin, which itself comes from ancient Greek, politeia, talking about a polity, a policy, or the state, from, I think, from polis, from the people. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Polity.